Hello everyone, bem-vindos ao meu canal. Nesse vídeo vamos ir num zoológico de Sydney chamado Taronga ZOO. Então eu tô indo num grupo da minha escola de português chamado ABCD. Então deixe seu like, se inscreva no canal, clique no bell e me siga no Instagram. Vamos! Então, ninguém vai usar máscaras porque não tem muitos casos de Covid. Então, estamos aqui nas girafas e zebras.
Como é que se fala em inglês girafa e zebras?
Chama zebra e... Zebra...
Pai, a mãe e daí lá foi a bebezinha.
Chimpanzé em inglês também. Hello.
Você está feliz? Quer mostrar pra toda a gente se você está feliz? Dá risada. 1, 2, 3, eu falo português. Comer biscoito, 9, 10, comer pastéis.
Estamos no Bird Shore e vamos ver todos os pássaros.
Nice. And an emu egg like this, it's the ultimate prize for Australia's third largest hawk, black-breasted buzzard. Oh, Jesus! Well, there you go. I had a lot to tell you about that young man there, but he's done it already for me. I was going to say something about how we associate the use of tools with humans and primates, but this bird here, he did it himself, didn't he? Well done, Waru.
Well, do you ever have that feeling you're being watched? Owls are everywhere. While you might not always see them in your own backyard, they can see you, whether that's out of the country or even right here in the city. Owls, you could even say it's behind us. You haven't seen any rats, have you? Yeah, we haven't either. Aren't those owls doing a good job? I can tell you're excited.
Like the Andean cockerel. Joining us on stage on 3 meters worth of wings is Kanira. Side. Now, eating the dead can be a pretty messy job, so she has a couple of adaptations that helps her out with this. One of which is that nearly bald head and neck. It's not actually bald, it has small hair-like feathers on it. This means that any blood and guts that should get on her face dry in the sun and simply flake on off. And this means she gets to stay really healthy herself. Now, unfortunately, in parts of the world, vulture populations have been in decline by up to 99% for certain species over the last 10 years. And this means, unfortunately, diseases like anthrax and rabies have found their way into the human population. So we need to make sure we're out there looking after them, so they can do their job of looking after us, or they might just disappear. Now, thankfully, some of our natives have been able to thrive, just like the galah. But unfortunately, many other birds have not. So me and my friend Jasper here, well, we were wondering if there's anyone in the audience that would like to help out today. We're looking for a volunteer, someone who'd like to meet Jasper. This young lady in the very back row, yep, you can stand up for her. Get your stand on your chair where you are for me. You don't have to go anywhere, you just need to stand up there. Yep, put your arm out to the side, flat as a tree branch. Jasper's going to come on up and say hello. Thank you. Well, thanks for coming down to the QBE.
Esse é o jabuti, que é tortoise em inglês. Então vamos alimentar os elefantes. Mamãe? Não vai beber água, será? Beber água, Lulu? Dá mão lenta. A aranha tá barriga. Ó, isso dá mão pra irmã.
No, I think I said the gorillas.
Pavão, que é chamado peacock em inglês. Vamos ver o show das focas, que as focas é chamado seals em inglês.
They need to keep learning because they absolutely love it. They love learning these new behaviours and they're always wanting to learn new things. So they learn these more high energy behaviours because that's what they absolutely love to do. Little differences between Pepper and Cisco. The first one being, obviously he's a bit bigger, so he's a little bit older, that makes sense, but he also has a beautiful bump on the top of his head. That's called a sagittal crest, and it's what the male California sea lions get as they reach maturity. He's going to jump into the water and back out again to touch his nose on the buoy hanging in the middle of the pool. But to help with this, I need you all to give him the cue to jump. So on the count of 3, I need you all to yell, "Jump, Pepper," and throw your hands in the air. Can you do that? Okay, he's in position. 1, 2, 3.
Jump, Pepper! I knew that was gonna happen.
Guys, I was actually really impressed with that. I thought it was really good, but Pepper's only got small ears, so let's check in with him. Peps, was that loud enough for you?
Is he singing?
He said no. That's okay, I think we just need a bit more energy. So this time, on the count of 3, give it everything you've got, yelling "Jump, Pepper," and don't forget to throw those hands in the air. If we're ready, 1, 2, 3! Really, really carefully. And we can also apply medication or ointment if necessary as well. Now, even more importantly, we have to give thorough checks all over our seals. So just like this, we can give them full body checks, see if there's any minor wounds or scratches. If we see them look uncomfortable or flinch in a certain area, it might mean that there's something happening inside and we need to get an x-ray, a scan or ultrasounds as well. Now I hope you've all enjoyed getting a little bit up closer to Murphy. He's going to quickly say goodbye. Oh, he's very proud of himself. Now prepare for this one because it's pretty loud. Thank you, Murphy. Now you can all help by waving goodbye to Murphy as well.
clique no bell e me siga no Instagram para deixar os teus comentários. Tchau!